How to create and delete a department. First, log in, then select main screen, choose function and department. Let's find an empty department slot. I'm going to choose this one. There are two descriptions. Usually this software supports up to 2 different types of languages, but this time we're just going to use English. So in that case you would have to input the language twice. So I'm going to just call this department test and re-enter again and save. Okay, let's see if it's there. Let's go back to main screen. Let's do a pickup order, scroll to the right, and there it is. Okay, now let's delete it. If you want to delete, let's go back, main screen, function, department again, select the department you want to delete and select delete. Okay. Okay, let's go double check. And it's gone. And that's it. How to manage an item. First, log in. Go to main screen, function. In the functions menu, you have for items 4 different types of editing capabilities. One is add, delete, insert, and edit. Let's do an add item right now. And let's choose a department to add the item. Scroll to the right. Let's add under the test department. Okay, under description is where you would name the item. There are up to 3 descriptions. This software supports multiple languages. Let's do for description 1, Spanish. P-R-U-E, prueba. Should be test for Spanish, and English test. Now the third one, it could be used also as well for a third language for the kitchen printers, but that's optional. But you would need to at least input 2 descriptions every time you add an item. Okay, next let's price the item. Let's make this $3.99 and select the category. Category refers to the printers. If you, for example, have more than 1 kitchen printers and each printer specifies the different types of food it creates by the chef. Like for example, if you choose drink, and that means it would be assigned to print out for the drink printers. Okay, after that, save, confirm OK, and OK again. Okay, now let's go to main screen again, do a pickup order and check out the item. Under test, and here is test. If you want to check out the second language that I've entered, just hit on the language button here. As you can see, this is the second language. And that's it for adding the item. Now let's do a delete. Let's go back to main screen, function, delete, select the department of the item, choose the item you want to delete. Okay, hit delete. Let's go back and do a pickup order to take a look. And there it is, all gone. And that's it. Now let's try to insert an item. Go to main screen, function, select insert. Let's scroll to the right side of the departments, select the test department, Insert allows you to enter a new item in between any other already existing items. So let's say I want to add something between item test 1 and test 2. All I have to do is choose the one on the bottom. So if I choose test 2, it's going to come out right between 1 and 2. So let's choose that. And let's call this insert test. I'm going to go ahead and skip the multi-language and do English on both descriptions. $3.99 price. Category, we'll leave it at drink category, so print out on the drink printer. And save. OK, confirm. OK, exit. Now let's take a look. Let's do a pickup order. And there you go. Okay, now the last part of the item function is the edit item. Let's go to main screen again. Function, edit. Let's go over to the test department again and edit test item number 1. And now there's a few things I want to go over first. The first item option editing that I want to go over is the selection. For test number 1, I want to include the spicy option. This will allow me to have a pop-up menu whenever this item is selected. And save. OK, confirm. And when I want to edit another item that's in the same department, I don't have to go OK to go out. I can actually just hit the next button. And now we're in the insert test item. For this one, I want to create several price levels. Let's do a $3.99, $4.99, and a $5.99. Save. OK, confirm. And let's do one more item editing. Hit next again. Test number 2. I want to make this actually a combo meal, so let's rename it first. Let's just call it combo 2 and rename the Spanish one as well. This time I want to use the preset option. Under the preset option, I've created a combo meal. As you can see, it's already checkmarked actually. When I want to activate this, there's already several items included into the combo meal option, so when the item is selected during an order, you will see several items pop up all at once. Okay, confirmed, save, OK, and OK, exit. Now let's do a pickup order. Let's go back to the test department. First order, test number 1. And as you can see, here are some spice options. Let's say a customer wants this item to be mild spicy. Select mild. As you can see on the bottom, the mild selection is popped up under the item. Next item, customer wants to order insert test item. Okay, let's say this time customer wants a larger portion of this item, which is where the price level button comes in. Select that. Each price that I've inputted earlier reflects the size of the order. So the larger the price, the larger the order. So let's say customer wants a large order of this item, and the largest price is reflected. And it also says on the bottom of the item. Okay, one last final item. Customer wants a combo number 2. And as you can see on the bottom, all the pre-selected item I've created, the chicken wings, fries, and medium drink, they're all included into the combo 2 item. After that, subtotal. Order is created, collect money, and that's it. Let's clear this out. One more thing I wanted to discuss about a little bit is another option in the items. So let's go back to function, edit item, let's just go back to the test item again. I want to discuss this area right here, the different price options you can choose. First, the time base. This is actually a customized pricing option. And the next one is a market price. This is a price under the based off of the value of the item. It's usually meant for seafood such as lobsters or crabs. And also tax exempted is for if you want it to be no tax. Scale base is price based off of the weight. When this is selected, it's based off of the ounces. And the bottom one, unit in pounds. If you select the scale base and select unit in pounds, then it would be calculated based on the pound of the item. And finally, the manually priced. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's when you want to manually price an item. And that is it.